Just want you to see what is federal prison for the demon. Her license is 5WUB715. She's gang stalking with the Ontario police, who at 10:48 p.m. did the exact same thing, stalking by helicopter in the specific environment. This is exactly where you see the fake sun remaining all day long. At no point is there any sun in West Covina, California, over Lark Ellen Avenue at 2100 Lark Ellen Avenue in West Covina. That is prosecuting the people of the state in West Covina, California, in the same way it's prosecuting the people of the state in Pomona, California, because there's no sun, as you see it remaining directly over this strip of the property at this senior citizen community, where this demon living in what is apartment 55 is not asleep. She has all the energy, just like the demons engaging in surveillance with her, incriminating all of the demons in units 33 through 64 who are all going to federal prison. I want to be clear, it's 1:43 in the morning, and my ability to hear the helicopter is not because I have some supernatural ability to hear through walls. It's called amplification. It's also the simultaneity of conduct as I'm documenting this demon in 55 who's going to federal prison, who you see gang stalking under a fake sun that remains. These are demons group stalking together. Paul Leon, this is a terrorist and a sex offender monitoring my genitalia with the people of the state, living at a facilitating venue, having no constitutional protections in a specific environment. There is no light that is creating what is your upright shadow. This is the same light activity you see under the fake sun. It's not sunlight, nor is this property lights. That's the product of what would be light fixtures that create your shadow on the ground. That's called impossible light activity. This is demonic conduct, 24-hour surveillance, and every single last one of these demons are gang stalking. They're all going to federal prison. Woodside Senior Apartments and AVANATH Capital Management is also going to be prosecuted. They are continuously engaging in surveillance by helicopter, and I'm documenting it. And as I document, federal stalking conduct is also underway, and the entity engages in that very tactic. That's what the entity is doing as I am documenting the people in West Covina. That's exactly what Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department did, and that's why Stephen Talsey is done with law enforcement. They were going to be prosecuted for the same exact criminal system that the Ontario Police Department is going to be disbanded for. And because they continuously engage in this criminal system in concert with the people who are going to federal prison, everybody surrounding, this is criminal surveillance, surrounding and surrounding, everybody in these two buildings are going to federal prison. They're gang stalking with a police department that is at 1:44 in the morning, stalking me and monitoring my genitalia. Sex offenders who have no business in law enforcement, and they will be removed and prosecuted. And that demon flying in that helicopter, their name's going to be produced because they're going to federal prison. This is what the entity is repeatedly doing, flying over the senior citizen complex, and doing so with regard to knowledge of what's being documented while the entity is pacing around inside of this apartment. And that's the impunity with which domestic terrorists continuously engage in criminal surveillance. Alan D. Wapner is gang stalking the Ontario International Airport, the same exact criminal system. It's aerial surveillance in the specific environment where the fake sun remains for the duration of the day. These are demons gang stalking in Ontario, California. Okay? There is no demon, no sex offender, no domestic terrorist that will remain as mayor. That's the removal of Paul Leon. There is no demon, no sex offender, no gang stalker, no criminal that's going to remain as the chief of police. That's the removal of Mike LORENZ. And you are also witnessing what is the amplification of helicopter activity while they are still monitoring evidence right now. That's exactly why the police department is going to be shut down. And it's incriminating the people. They're all going to federal prison. This is a criminal pacing, which is heard while they are up at 1:44 in the morning, wasting millions of dollars on criminal surveillance. The Ontario Police Department is being exposed as engaging in domestic terrorism in the U.S. This demon that is flying in helicopters and everybody engaged in this iteration of the P.O.C. is going to federal prison. This is the criminal system that the Ontario Police and the mayor of the city of Ontario and the corrupt community, sex offenders who are monitoring a woman in an apartment building who they are gang stalking together. That's the criminal conduct at Woodside Senior Apartments, a bunch of senior citizens who are not sleeping. Neither is this demon in 55. She's going to federal prison. Your shadow is never going to be created through what are light fixtures. These are demons that are monitoring and using a helicopter as the POC. This is what the Richard Bell and the demons of the West Covina Police Department were doing while the fake sun was then rising, not over Woodside Senior, at no point while it's stationary over 2100 Lark Ellen Avenue. This is the demonic system of federal group stalking and monitoring. It is the disbanding of a department full of sex offenders who are obsessed with my genitalia, and they're also monitoring evidence of violation of Title 18. You have many of them going to federal prison, and the entire department is done with law enforcement. They are wasting millions of dollars on criminal activity as opposed to protecting and serving. This is criminal conduct. They're not free to engage in. It's all criminal. So they repeat the conduct. That's impunity. All they're doing is gang stalking. It's currently, again, 1:47 a.m., and she's going to federal prison. She's engaged in surveillance on behalf of the people in the state. It's P.O.C.